So I wanted to go ahead and provide an update for my latest AI influencer. This is her. Her name is Mackenzie Brooks, and she's a food reviewer slash mukbanger. And I knew that creating content for her would be the hardest challenge that I've had so far because you're gonna have to animate not only her eating the food but also the sound effects. So I started creating her how I normally do with my influencers. I use Notion as a foundation. And then I use Stable Diffusion to actually create her look. And then I use Gemini to create a bunch of other pictures for her. And then I actually store everything that I created for her on HeyGen. But that wasn't the issue. Actually creating the mukbang videos was the biggest issue. So what I did, I created videos of her actually talking in HeyGen using the Avatar 4 model. Then actually here, I went to a website called Open Art and they have all the different models listed here. And what I normally do, I normally use not only the Avatar 4 model just for general talking, but I also use Juan 2.2 with Alexis Romano, my fitness influencer, because she doesn't have to talk. And with Juan 2.2, there's no audio. So I used OpenArt to select the Juan 2.5 model. Now, the 2.5 model actually does have audio and the 2.2 doesn't. And I was pretty happy with it. There's definitely some better models like Sora 2, and they have VO3, and this is a video here for Wong 2.5, not 2.2. But also using Sora 2 and using Google VO3 and even VO2, it's very, very expensive. These are some examples of the Juan 2.5 model. In each of these videos, you hear her, eating the food and hearing the sound effects. This is how her first video came out. And then when she said the crispy chicken sandwich, I made that with Avatar 4 and HeyGen. And then when she has the sound effects for the food, I'm using OpenArt's Juan 2.5.
This might be the best corn dog I've ever had.
And she goes a little crazy here with the fries. The next clip. Just a little crazy, but